In this video, we are going to talk about the best affiliate marketing websites. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Moreover, we are running a Bitcoin giveaway to one of our subscribers. So make sure to watch till the end. As a low-cost technique for business growth, affiliate marketing has progressively grown in popularity over time. This marketing method, in particular for small businesses, helps companies to build brand awareness and raise sales with little expense and effort. Due to its pay-per-transaction model, it enables companies to lower advertising expenses while expanding their market reach. Businesses use software and solutions to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the affiliate marketing process. Here are some of the top affiliate marketing websites that may help you get started with your affiliate marketing campaigns if you are one of the few firms still without an affiliate program. Here is the list of best affiliate marketing websites. So let's start. Number 13. Cake. With the assistance of Cake's potent software, increase your market share. By utilizing cutting-edge technology that enhances affiliate marketing, increase profit margins. Attract affiliate partners and effectively manage them. Utilize systems that provide exact, accurate data in real time to measure performance. To get in-depth insights into how to optimize campaigns, track them across all channels. Number 12. Admatad. On a single, user-friendly platform, manage publications and plan marketing campaigns. For startups and SMEs, Admatad makes affiliate marketing simple. You may launch your own affiliate program on the Admatad platform with only a few clicks. Invite thousands of Admatad publishers to participate in your marketing campaigns after you've planned and created them. With its multi-user functionality, you may manage campaigns with your entire team. Analyze the performance of publishers across various channels. Number 11. Partnerize. Grow your affiliate partners using Partnerize to increase your revenue. This integrated platform includes a full range of cutting-edge solutions for controlling every step of the partnership marketing lifecycle. By combining discovery, recruitment, optimization, security, and payment on a single platform, it streamlines affiliate administration. By automating processes, it gets rid of laborious and repetitive manual chores for greater effectiveness. Additionally, it makes it possible to implement outcome-based pricing schemes, which eventually boost profit growth. Number 10. Referzion. Referzion is made for companies that want to use affiliate, ambassador, and influencer partnerships to boost e-commerce growth. By using digital technologies, data analytics, and automated workflows, it streamlines the influencer and affiliate marketing process. Referzion gives you access to an all-in-one platform that lets you handle everything from onboarding your affiliates to paying commissions. In a single user-friendly interface, recruit affiliates, establish commission schemes, monitor performance, provide reports, and handle payments. Integrate your e-commerce platform with external platforms like Shopify. Number 9. Adroll. Adroll, an AI-powered platform, improves the results of your affiliate marketing by coordinating your efforts across email, digital advertising, and e-commerce campaigns. Additionally, it integrates easily with CRM programs, email marketing applications, and e-commerce platforms. Adroll provides third-party integrations with social media networks and e-commerce websites so you can easily launch cross-device and cross-platform advertisements. You may manage campaigns with your team using its multi-user features. Your marketing efforts benefit from its AI technology's flexible segmentation, sophisticated conversion tracking rules, web targeting, transparent analytics, and many other features. Number 8. Post Affiliate Pro. Among the top choices for many startups, SMEs, and businesses is Post Affiliate Pro. For small businesses looking to build their businesses through affiliate marketing, its scalability makes it enticing. Post Affiliate Pro gives companies the ability to manage every aspect of their affiliate program, like the majority of other affiliate marketing websites do. It aids in affiliate management, performance monitoring, and the development of marketing collateral. Its ability to integrate with almost all platforms and apps sets it apart from competitors. Number 7. Adroll. In 1968, 400 fans watched as Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona sold for a staggering 17.8. Adroll is a cutting-edge system that gives companies the ability to automate and expand their affiliate marketing initiatives. The platform has several options and resources for setting up and running affiliate networks. It allows for customizable payouts in multiple currencies, third-party integrations, and fraud prevention. Adroll is a cutting-edge system that gives companies the ability to automate and expand their affiliate marketing initiatives. The platform has several options and resources for setting up and running affiliate networks. It allows for customizable payouts in multiple currencies, third-party integrations, and fraud prevention. You may quickly set up and customize dashboards using its user-friendly interface to better manage affiliates and advertisers' operations. Analyze performance statistics from over 50 data breakdowns and performance reports. Utilize advanced features like AI smart links, smart targeting, CR optimization, and more to optimize your campaigns. Greatest importantly, you can experiment with an infinite number of campaigns to determine which ones generate the most income. Number 6. Tune. Tune's completely customizable interface enables you to fine-tune your affiliate marketing program to your exact specifications. From its extensive selection of cutting-edge automation tools, you can create your own set of tools. Gain seamless and quick onboarding, hassle-free payout processing, and real-time reporting with useful insights. Use one agile platform to manage all aspects of your partnership program. Number 5. Everflow. With Everflow, go beyond affiliate marketing. Manage all of your clients and relationship kinds from one platform. Everflow's automated tools and effective integrations streamline partnership administration. Instant cart setups, international payments, scheduled reporting, event tracking, and conversion tracking are all made possible. It makes use of data analytics to provide variance reports and deliver in-depth insights. With automatic fraud detection and coupon theft prevention, it also boosts security. Number 4. LeadDyno. LeadDyno affiliate software, which debuted in 2014, has established itself as a pioneer in the affiliate marketing sector. It has continuously improved its software over the years to boost its functionality while utilizing the most recent technologies. One of the simplest affiliate software products to use is LeadDyno. Integration with email platforms, payment processors, management systems, and e-commerce platforms only requires 1 or 2 clicks. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and almost no technical knowledge is necessary. Number 3. ShareASale. You may establish relationships and share company success with the proper affiliates, influencers, creators, and tech partners by using ShareASale to locate them. It gives you the resources you require for decision-making, monitoring, and onboarding. You may optimize your affiliate program with the real-time insights and diagnostics it provides. You may establish relationships and share company success with the proper affiliates, influencers, creators, and tech partners by using ShareASale to locate them. Number 2. Affiliately. Affiliately, one of the simplest affiliate tracking programs to use, is ideal for small businesses starting out in affiliate marketing. By letting your affiliates handle your marketing, you can concentrate on running your business. It also enables you to compensate affiliates with gift cards from your shop in exchange for their recommendations. Affiliately provides e-commerce platform connections with BigCommerce, Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, and CrateJoy, among others. JavaScript and PHP codes can be used to combine Affiliately with a custom-built e-commerce site. Number 1. Recruitment Marketing. Leading brands and renowned partners are brought together by Recruitment Marketing. With more than 20 years of affiliate marketing experience, they are fully aware of how the market operates and how to support publishers and companies in generating income. You can increase your reach in your specialized field by connecting with affiliates, content producers, influencers, and other partners through its affiliate marketing network. Its offerings include real-time data, marketing assistance, and tools for campaign optimization. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, to win the giveaway, you must like and subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.